Okay, so this is basically how to draw the line in the reporting cluster worksheet. There's two bits of information here that you'll need to draw the line. That's the proficient range, and that's off of the other cluster worksheet. Looks like this, the reporting clusters. And so this is the data, the minimally proficient right here, and the advanced, minimally advanced right here, those two numbers. So I come back here and I put those numbers in, 77 to 89%. This is for word analysis and vocabulary development. So now I just need to draw a line from about 77% to about 89%. So what I'll do is I'll come up here, and this is in Word 2007 for the PC, very similar, and Word 2010 for the PC. If you're on a Macintosh, you will use your draw tools, but basically what you're going to need to find is this line right here. And so if I find that line and I click, and then I get a little plus sign, see the plus sign right up there, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click around 77 and then just draw a line. Now here's a trick: hold down the shift button, it'll keep the line straight. While you're drawing, draw to 89, and then I have a nice thin line there. Now if I want it to be thicker, make sure the line's still activated. I have the two green dots there, and I'll click size, and then I'm going to click colors and lines, that tab right there, and then you'll see here where it says weight, and I can actually make it thicker. So I'm going to make it a 2-point thick line, so it's double, and I'll click OK. And then you can see there's a nice thick line there, and that represents minimum proficiency to minimum advanced proficiency. And then you'll have your scores here from the Dolphin School, and you can put an X wherever you want. You know, if that's where, let's say, your students are right around, what would that be? I think I've drawn this line wrong. I can click and just kind of, so that would be around 77 right there. So 77 to 89. So let's say my students were at 79, I could put it right there. Now, if you want to be a little bit more accurate, you can click the insert again and go to shapes and go to line, and you can say, let's say your students were at 62%, you could actually draw the line down again, holding the shift button, keep it nice and straight. And then what you can do again is come up here to size and click on the color and lines, and then go ahead and make your line thicker. And so you would be able, that would represent your students. This right here would represent your students, where over here is minimal to advanced. And I hope that helps.